In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide a frame in Miro. If you've ever wanted to keep work in progress out of sight, simplify a busy canvas, or prepare a clean presentation, hiding a frame is a quick, reversible way to do it without deleting anything. Let's walk through it together so you know exactly what to click and why. First, head to Miro.com in your browser and sign in. Any modern browser works well, but make sure you're on a stable connection so large boards load smoothly. You'll need edit access on the board to hide a frame, so if you can't select frames or see the hide option later, double check your permissions with the board owner. Once you're in, open the board where the frame lives. From the dashboard, click the board's thumbnail and give it a moment to load. If it's a big workspace, you can zoom out slightly to get your bearings, then pan around until you see the area you want to work with. Next, select the frame you plan to hide. Frames look like large rectangular containers with a label, and they often have a faint border when you hover over them. Click directly on the frame's edge or title so the entire frame is selected. You should see a bounding box and handles appear around it. If clicking selects a sticky note or image instead, press Escape and try clicking the frame's border again. Another quick way to target the frame is to use the Frames panel or search by the frame's name if your board is crowded. With the frame selected, open the option to hide it. You can usually access this by right-clicking on the frame and choosing Hide Frame from the context menu. In some layouts, you may also find a hide option in the mini toolbar or under a three dots menu when the frame is selected. Click Hide and confirm if prompted. The frame, along with its contents, will no longer be visible to collaborators on the canvas, and it won't distract during walkthroughs or working sessions. Nothing is deleted, this simply toggles visibility, so you can bring it back later when you're ready. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. If the hide option isn't appearing, make sure you've selected the actual frame, not an object inside it. Naming frames clearly before you hide them makes them easier to manage later. Also remember that hiding is different from locking. Locking prevents edits while hiding removes the frame from view. And that's it. You've successfully hidden a frame in Miro and kept your workspace clean and focused.